Thank you guys for tuning in to today's episode. As you watch me prepare Mother's Day dinner, it was something just pretty simple and basic. Okay, so the first thing that I did was peel all of my sweet potatoes. I just like to peel everything straight into a bag just because it makes everything easier to clean up. And so that we'll have just, like a big mess all over the table and the cutting board. But after I did that, I just sliced them in half lengthwise, and then sliced them again, which you'll see. I call it basically the half moon shape, but I don't really like to cut mine too thick because I don't want like big chunks of sweet potato. I kind of like decent bite-sized pieces, and then I just put them into cold water until I was ready to boil them. And I typically boil them at least 15 to 20 minutes just to soften them up. Some people like to put them straight into the oven without boiling them first, but I noticed that if you boil them a little bit, it definitely speeds up the process and makes them just a little bit more enjoyable. As you can see, I'm just chopping and removing any pieces that I don't need, pieces that have gone bad. And then you'll see me chop up just one green pepper. Um, I small diced that, and then I did an onion as well, but I didn't get that on camera. But I'm not really much of an onion person, so it was just like a small bit. But they definitely both add flavor to the gravy. All right, so my chicken heart has already been cleaned. So a lot of the times the chicken will come with like little strands of hair here and there. So I remove those, and then I remove the wingtip and separated the drum and the flat. It's pretty easy. You kind of just have to feel where the joint meets and cut through that cartilage. But I do this majority of the time when I'm getting chicken wings because I don't want a full wing, and it just makes it easier to have them in bite-sized pieces like this. Okay, so after I finished cutting my chicken, I rinsed it off one more time, and then I just mixed it in some olive oil. Um, Putting olive oil or butter, coating all of the chicken with olive oil or butter, kind of helps the seasonings to stick, and it also helps the chicken turn brown. So I put garlic powder, onion powder, and like maybe four other things. I like to season both sides. Some people don't do that, but it definitely makes a difference when both sides are seasoned. I didn't put any salt because the Cajun seasoning has salt in it, so I didn't put any salt on it. Um, so as you see, I'm just flipping it to the other side and make sure they get the same seasonings. It doesn't have to be heavy, but just so that you can taste it. And then what I'm gonna do next is just brown the chicken on both sides. That basically just gives the chicken a nice brown color on top, and it makes it crispy as well. And then after that, I'm gonna put it onto a sheet pan and just bake it until it's completely done. I put the chicken and the yams in the oven at the same time with butter, brown sugar, vanilla extract. I have my roux. Into that, I'm gonna add in green pepper and my onion, and then once that kind of cooks until it's translucent, I'm gonna add in my chicken stock. First, it's gonna be really loose, but as you continue to stir it and have it on medium heat, it will thicken up. As you can see there, it's definitely thicker. Basically, just cook it to the consistency that you want. And then I put my broccoli on last because it wasn't going to take long at all. And then this is pretty much the finished meal. Everything was good, especially the chicken. It's pretty simple and easy meal to make. You just gotta season the chicken properly. But I'm glad that y'all enjoyed, and thank you for watching.